look at this.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic. And did you see what I just did a moment ago? It was a little bit weird, wasn't it? Real, authentic, and weird. Okay, so today's episode is all about light and lights, like the light, like the role that light has in creating art. And I'm going to have to say it has a role on all aspects of art, from written word to photo, video, sculpting, chiseling, hammering, you name it. Light is pivotal. Light is key in art. I can't say for all aspects that I've had the experience of, but many different versions of art I have been involved in, and light is key. Now, I'm going to share something with you for you photographers and filmmakers that are out there, okay? There are three types of creatives that are out there, okay? There's the beginner that is worried about price. There is the intermediate that is worried about gear outside of having gas, which you already should know about. And then there's the expert, where the expert cares about one thing and one thing only, and that is the light source. Where is it coming from, and how can he or she work with said light source? For me, I'll shoot anywhere, and I have. Bathrooms, alleys, streets, you name it. Rooms like this, and painting and creating really harsh shadows like this. Ooh, that's kind of scary. But seriously, light is pivotal. Light is key. Light is one of the biggest components to creating art. What do you think? How do you use the light in your art? Share it in the comments below, down in the basement, in the kilt zone. That's it. Let's wrap it up. That was pretty cool. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ for another episode of, I was going to say Raw 365, and then I went real authentic, and I was like, duh, so dorky am I sometimes. So Raw 365, real authentic weird. See, screwed it up. And if you're a subscriber, congratulations, good on you. And if you're not, you should be. So subscribe, ding dong, hit the bell. We'll send a raven. Maybe somebody will knock at your door someday. I don't know, maybe. And until next time, remember to do one thing and one thing properly. You know what it is? You know what it is? Stay caffeinated. That was like an ASMR, stay caffeinated. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.